This video demonstrates how to set up and personalize the Let's Talk About It emotional intelligence game. The app was created for counselors and therapists to use directly with their clients or to assign the game as therapeutic homework between sessions. The Let's Talk About It game is an emotional intelligence game focusing on communication for all ages. The app can be used on any device, a computer, a phone, or a tablet. It was designed by psychologist Lawrence E. Shapiro, PhD, a pioneer in using games to teach mental health skills. You'll begin by choosing the type of card deck that fits a specific client or clients. There are decks for kids, teens, families, couples, for dating, or for adult groups. Let's take a look at a deck made for teens. The basic deck for teens has 60 cards covering a wide range of issues. You can play it just as is by simply clicking the card, having the teen answer the card, and using the optional follow-up questions. Then, if you are in individual therapy, the therapist would click on the card and answer the next card. The therapist could answer at her current age or, if appropriate, answer it from the time that she was a teen. In group therapy, you would just pass the cards to the next person in the group. The therapist should always answer with positive modeling examples. Be truthful, but be aware that you are acting as a model for the teen or any client. We suggest you set a timer for the game, no matter who you're playing with, so the game has some limits. The game time is set to 20 minutes by default, but you can make the gameplay shorter or longer. You can also hide the timer or cancel it if you need to stop the game. The app will buzz when the time is up. A unique feature of the app is how easy it is to modify any game. You'll do this by clicking the button called Filter Category, and there you will see the categories that are selected for each deck. You can easily change the categories to focus the questions in the game. You can also add your own cards. Just type in what you want the card to say, and either select the category for the card or create a new category. Perhaps the teen has had a recent loss. Perhaps they've been bullied. You can create cards that help the teen explore the issues that will be most relevant. You can create as many cards as you want to modify the deck and come back to add even more whenever you want. You can also delete cards from the deck by clicking the icon in the upper right of each deck. When you create a deck, you also have options to shuffle it, only show unanswered cards, and to bring back cards that were already answered or deleted. The app also has a worksheet that can be printed for use by clients after a game. Click the Reflect on the Game button to download it. The worksheet asks players to think about what they learned about themselves, what they learned about others, and what they will do differently in the future with this knowledge. An important feature of the app is the ease of sharing the game you created with clients between sessions. Just click the Share button and then paste the link into a text or email. When the link is clicked, the game you sent will open without anyone having to sign in. If you have spent some time modifying a game, you might want to save it for use with clients in new sessions or use the modified game with other clients. The games you saved can be named and accessed from the Saved Games button. You can come back and play or edit your saved games whenever you want. Please note that games are saved on the device you are using, not in the cloud, so if you switch devices, saved games will not migrate to a second device. The Let's Talk About It game has many uses with different clients for both communication and reflection. If you have questions about this app or any of our products or services, please let us know.